1. The boys gathered a bundle of sticks. 2. Over by the railroad tracks, there was a heap of stones. 3. In the distance, the onlookers could see a fleet of ships. 4. As she looked up, she saw a flight of stairs. 5. The flock of sheep stayed together. 6. A swarm of insects gathered around the swamp. 7. A crowd of people lined up to see what was happening. 8. There was a long row of houses near the beach. 9. The herd of cows kept eating as the wind blew past them. 10. At the show, we saw many different schools of fish.